Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my winter Fabfitfun. It is that time of the year again. I know you guys love these videos, and thanks as always to Fabfitfun for sponsoring this video today. I'm going to be going over this winter box, showing you everything that I got in my box, what I customized it to be, and also sharing with you the other options as well, because I always like to do that in my videos and share what else is possible with these boxes. If you guys are new to this subscription, it is a lifestyle subscription including beauty, fashion, really cool items. I always love the fall and the winter box. They're always the best. And also, if you guys subscribe for the year, you get extra customizations if you subscribe to the year up front, but you can also do this quarterly. Since this is a seasonal box, there's only 4 a year and it's $49.99. You can also use my code LEAHJANAE to save $10 off your first box if this is your first time. But let's go ahead and get into this box. Alright, so for the first item here, I am so excited. This is the biggest thing in the box and I could not wait for this because I needed this so badly. But this is a robe. I've just been really wanting a nice robe because in the mornings I've just been wearing my pajamas all day, and I just feel like a robe, especially like in the winter, is so cozy, especially when you like just get out of the shower and I'm gonna like sit on my computer to do my work. This is just gonna be so nice, and this is seriously the softest robe I've ever felt. So this is by Summer and Rose, and it even has a hood on it. Oh my gosh, I am excited. I'm gonna have to insert a clip of me wearing this because this is too cute. This retails for $70, but I can totally see that because it's just very soft, very cozy. I have the large XL and it says it's 100% polyester. So that was one of the options and the one that I picked out for my winter box. The other options that you could choose from if you guys wanted to do something else other than the robe, there's a Vera Bradley compact organizer that retails for $50. The Unhide Lil Marshmallow blanket. You guys, I got this last year. We still use ours. They actually sent me 2 of them last year. So literally those are the blankets that we use all the time. It's very similar material to the robe. Highly recommend getting one of them because they are just incredible. They're a little bit on the smaller side, but they really are our favorite. Those retail for $65. Also the Lolly Beauty Tea Seed Elixir. There's Kate Spade Rise and Shine earrings, which I almost picked those. And also the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. So those were all the options for choice number 1, which has pretty much the high ticket items there. The next product in my box is from Caudalie. I'm very excited about this. I haven't had their skincare in so long, and this is their moisturizing sorbet. The only things I've really tried from them is like their beauty spray, which I really like that stuff. So I'm really excited to try out this. It sounds amazing. So this is what it looks like here in the pretty pink packaging. And this retails for $39. It says it's a gel to water texture that melts into the skin to emulate a refreshing sorbet. Sounds incredible, and I think my oily skin is going to love this. Also, some of the other options instead of that, there was really pretty Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs. Those are so cute. Also, the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, the Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf, and there's the Impressions Vanity Company LED Vanity Mirror. So there's some amazing options for the winter box. Next thing I got is from Ilia. I'm really excited about this as well because you guys know I am a beauty channel, and Ilia is a brand sold at Sephora. They are a clean beauty brand, so I've slowly been getting more items from them and trying them out. I've actually gotten a couple things from BoxyCharm, like their foundation, and I got their lipstick to try. So now we have their Limitless Lash Mascara. Really nice kind of weighted packaging. This is what it looks like. Very simple. And here is the wand. It's a nice kind of thinner brush. So excited to try that out from Ilia. The other options were the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser, also the Dr. Brandt Pore Microdermabrasion, and the Lily Sadoe Maroon Velvet Headband, which was also very cute. For these next options, these are items that you can pick if you guys are a year member. Otherwise, if you just do the quarterly subscription, then you get one at random. So I got the High Altitude Hydration Mask from Flight Mode Skincare. I actually actually sounded really good. I'm always looking for different masks to try, and to be honest, I don't have a whole lot of hydrating ones, and I feel like since it's getting into the winter season, my skin's just all sorts of messed up. It's feeling a little bit dry. I've been using some kind of harsher products to kind of combat my acne, so I feel like sometimes I just need a little bit of hydration. This is a sleeping mask, so it says it has hyaluronic acid and also Australian wild berry harvest to hydrate and plump the skin. Also aloe vera and cucumber extract, which are awesome, so that you wake up feeling soothed and refreshed. So this is nice. It's nice because you don't have to wash it off, you just sleep with it on. This is what it looks like if you guys are curious in the packaging. That one retails for $39. Some of the other options in that category were the Kate Spade workout socks. There is 2 pairs there. The Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. The Muklux Cabin socks, which look super cozy, and then the Vor Hair Care Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. Next product, I got some cutting boards. I feel like I always need these, and these are nice because you could stick them in the dishwasher since they're not wooden. But these are by Apare, and these are the cutting boards set of 4. They are BPA free, dishwasher safe, and they're pretty big. You get, I think, 3 in here, maybe 4. There's different colors. There's like a red, yellow, green. So this is gonna be amazing. So those cutting boards retail for $19.95 for the set of 4. The other options are the Beautinique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels or the DHue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder. Alright, so the next items I received, these are ones that Fabfitfun picked out for me, so I did not get a choice in these. So first up, I got this little card holder. To be honest, I'm not a big fan. I don't like red. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. I do need a card holder, but I just know that I probably will not use this. This is by Below the Belt. I would have loved this to be like black or something like that, but the red is just a bit much for me. The other options there were the Wish Lip Scrub and Vanilla Bean. I would have loved to get that. Or the Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. Also would have loved to get that. But yeah, I got the Croc card case. That does retail for $35. Next up, I got this little brush here. This is by Daily Concepts. It's a daily facial brush. Interesting. So I guess you're supposed to use this on the face. I don't know if I would want to do that just because it seems a bit abrasive. I try to be pretty gentle with my skin, and since I use a lot of different chemical exfoliants, I think this would be a little too harsh. But I know dry brushing is amazing for the body. I think this is literally a face brush. Yeah, this is pretty small. I don't think I will be using this product. I mean, you could use it on the body, but this would take a long time. But yeah, I'm just not really into that for the face. This one retails for $20, and it says that you're supposed to dry brush your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and to reduce puffiness. The other option was some scrunchies by Noir. It's the Jewelry Ombre Leopard scrunchies. Those I think I would have preferred. I always get the things that I wouldn't like. Okay, next up, we got a liquid eyeliner from Aesthetica in black. Let's see what this looks like. I feel like I've heard of this brand from like BoxyCharm or Ipsy or something. But yeah, it's just a felt tip liquid liner, a little bit runny. So we'll see how that dries down. I don't really wear a whole lot of liquid liner, to be honest. So let's see. This one retails for $21, and it says it glides on easily and stays on for hours. The other options were the London Town Get Well Nail Recovery or the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher. I would have loved to try that. So I don't know. Fabfitfun always picks the weird products for me that I usually wouldn't pick whenever they pick things, but it's fine because I love the other stuff I got. Like that robe was over the price of my box, and I still got quite a few really exciting things. I love the robe. I love the cutting board. The Caudalie product in that hydration mask I'm very excited about. So that is going to be it for this Fabfitfun unboxing and a little rundown of all the choice items. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do know that I do get mine a little bit early since they are working with me on this, but you guys should be getting your boxes soon, and you can still sign up for this winter box. Again, my $10 off code is linked down below, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.